The Universal Beijing Resort, the largest in scale worldwide, opened to the public on Monday, coinciding with this year's Mid-Autumn Festival holiday, from September 19 to 21. The resort started formal operation after around 4 months of stress tests and pre-opening preparations. The resort, located in Beijing's eastern suburban district of Tongzhou, is so far the largest worldwide, covering 4 square kilometers. It has 7 themed lands, and 37 recreational facilities and themed attractions. Among them, the Kung Fu Panda Land of Awesomeness, Transformers Metrobase, and Waterworld are specially set up for Chinese tourists. The UBR is the 5th Universal Studios theme park globally, the 3rd in Asia and the 1st in China. Construction of the resort started in August 2018. It is expected to receive more than 10 million tourists per year.